What is up, Facebook, YouTube? I'm up here in University, North Carolina, the University area. There goes the Good House Mobile. I'm here to do a bonded insert due to the customer knocking over a candle and putting a burn hole in the carpet. So let me take you guys inside, show you what I'm up against. It's gonna be a good episode, so stay tuned. It looks like a burn hole here. I'm gonna make it look like it never even happened, so stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube, here's the after results. Like it never even happened. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.